Miss Polly had a dolly that was sick. So she called for the doctor to be quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. Now that the doctor is here, will we let him in to diagnose the things we seem to enjoy suffering? Will we die or dip into the doctor's bag for our ailing sins? Open the door, Miss Polly. The doctor have medicine, like a prescription to ensure that contracts are not choked in the throats of a select few. So by the time you procuring propositions and pass under the table, you will never get choose. With illnesses such as these, how we could even contemplate COVID vaccines. When the vaccine reach, it remains out of reach to short-term citizens, and if money don't extend your arms or nepotism does not favor your palms, then any plans of equality there with the dolly on the deathbed. Open the door for the doctor and receive help in the form of preventative measures, like ensuring campaign financing does not result in all of the other side effects noted above. No one should have any government in a glove, and people in high places holding a grudge so contagious it translates to all of us. You know how white collar racket needs dirty hands for the work? That is disease. Open the door for the doctor. Let him test the blood of the dolly and see if it still bleeds red, white and black, or if it backtracks to engaged in unsanitized agreements so whistleblowers can seek no asylum and bribes more expedient than highlighting wrongdoing. For who wants to have an incident in their personal lives brewing because of someone chewing on a cancer stick? Not cigarettes, but those who smoke in Trinbago down to the wick. Open the door for the doctor. It's time to test our vital signs. For the pandemic itself illustrates that vital lies are still our refuge in time of trouble. So COVID grants given out and you looking to get double, and rent being paid and landlords collecting from tenant and government. Have we bottled our healthiest temperaments? Or are we full throttle past healing from our corrupted predicaments? Miss Polly has a dolly, and that dolly is Trinbagonian citizens. From the pedestrian to the politician, from CSO to government, it's time to give our policies vitamins for our own betterment. So in times of dire straits, policy is already properly laid and people properly engaged to take what they need and nothing else. For nothing yells pandemic louder than a sick system. Open the door, the doctor here to fix things, conduct surgery on TNT. So the road to recovery covered in our integrity.